So today I am unboxing Look Fantastic subscription box. Wella Professional Fusion Mask Repair. Oh, just broke the seal. I like to smell things. Oh, smells divine. It is 75 ml. You can take it to the gym bag or your holiday. Okay, ESPA body wash 75 ml. Bergamot and jasmine. Another divine. Smells amazing. Great for traveling, these are. I think the subscription box is a great option for trying things out before you want to commit to purchase full size. So anyway, next I have here a Brazilian Boom Boom cream. I'd say Bum Bum, but no, it's actually pronounced as a Boom Boom. Absorbs so quick. Smells gorgeous. Vitamin C scrub by Rodial. Might as well open up in front of you. So here it is. It doesn't have color, so it's clear. It's a papaya scrub, brighten and renew. Vitamin C scrub. Lanolips, and it's 101 ointment multitasking balm. So this is quite thick. Come on, light, come back. So this is quite thick. I personally use this balm on my lips and on my cuticles because I've got really dry cuticles. It's quite sticky actually. And the last item I have here is the Natural Sea Sponge. I had one of this before, so when you wet it, it expands. Put this in my gym bag maybe? I don't know. I'll have a think. So here we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed.